Hey everyone, it's Ethan from Pulse. Ever stared at a busted LED bulb and thought, wasn't this supposed to last a decade? Me too. Those advertised lifespans can feel seriously misleading. Today we're diving into why those LED lifespans often feel shorter than a hamster's attention span. We'll expose the marketing tricks, environmental factors, and quality issues that can send your bulbs to an early grave. Okay, let's talk numbers. You pick up a box of LEDs, and it proudly boasts 25,000 hours or more. Sounds like an eternity, right? That magical figure comes with an asterisk. Manufacturers base those lifespans on a pretty optimistic scenario, 3 hours of use per day. Now I don't know about you, but my lights tend to be on for way longer than that. Once you start exceeding that 3-hour benchmark, those lifespan estimates go out the window. Let's talk about heat, the arch nemesis of electronics everywhere, and LED bulbs are no exception. LEDs might be energy efficient, but they're not immune to the laws of physics. When those tiny diodes cram all their light-producing power into such a small space, things can get toasty. Cramming a high-powered LED into an enclosed fixture is like sticking it in a sauna, not exactly conducive to a long life. Open fixtures allow for much better airflow, keeping those LEDs cool and extending their lifespan. We've tackled heat, but there's another silent killer: power surges. These sudden jolts of electricity can wreak havoc on your delicate electronics, including your LED bulbs. Imagine a rogue wave slamming into a tiny boat. That's what a power surge does to the circuitry inside your LED. Investing in surge protectors or a whole home surge protector can save you a lot of headaches and dead bulbs in the long run. They act like bodyguards for your electronics, absorbing those power surges before they can do any damage. Let's be real, we've all been tempted by those bargain bin LEDs. They're like the dollar menu of the lighting world: cheap, cheerful, and you kind of get what you pay for. When it comes to LEDs, quality matters. Those dirt cheap bulbs often cut corners with inferior components and shoddy construction. Look for reputable brands with good reviews, and don't be afraid to spend a few extra bucks. Your eyes and your wallet will thank you. Here's something they don't tell you in the LED marketing brochures. LEDs don't usually go out in a blaze of glory. Instead, they experience a slow, gradual decline known as lumen depreciation. LEDs gradually lose their brightness, becoming dimmer until you're practically left in the dark. The sneaky thing about lumen depreciation is that it's barely noticeable at first, but over time, it can turn your living room into a dimly lit cave. Alright, so we've covered a lot of ground, and it might seem like the odds are stacked against your LED bulbs. But don't worry, there are some simple things you can do to extend their lifespan and keep your home shining bright. First up, ventilation. Remember, heat is the enemy. Choose open fixtures whenever possible. Protect your bulbs from power surges. Invest in surge protectors for your valuable electronics. And finally, don't be afraid to spend a little extra on quality LEDs from reputable brands. Look for bulbs with good reviews, solid warranties, and a proven track record. So there you have it, the truth about LED bulb lifespans, and how to keep those little guys shining bright for years to come. A little bit of knowledge goes a long way when it comes to getting the most out of your tech. Even something as simple as a light bulb. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more myth-busting tech deep dives. How long have your LED bulbs lasted? Share your experience in the comments below, and let me know what other tech mysteries you'd like me to unravel. Until next time, stay bright.